Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily remove the batteries from your remote of Hutt DDC5. So first let's start off by removing the cover of the remote. Now here we will have batteries, and what we have to do is aim for the pluses right here. And now put your finger in here. Now try to rip it off of here. And here we got the first one. Now we need to do the same with the second one. So now it's all good. Now there's nothing in the remote and we can close it now. So that be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.